Welcome back, and now let's take a look at the process of how you're going to develop your character and how you did the last three tutorials. So this is less about using the tools, and this is more about the process that an artist will go through. The first thing is you creating your core character, and this is the character in its silhouette, all the shapes that have been united. Once you have the fundamental character content created, you use your Pathfinder, of course, and you'll fuse them together. Now, you go in and fill in the basic colors. This is an important step in digital illustration. Like traditional illustration, you want to lay in basic colors. Basic colors are the flat color that you want to go with. Here we were using blue. And from that, you layer in other colors to flesh out your illustration and model it just like a painter would, except you do it with vector shapes. And we're going to use the blend and the gradient tools to add the color. Flat is okay, but I want you to look at the illustration and how much more it comes to life down below. Simple shading, highlighting, and applying makes all the difference. All of this is very basic vector work, both on the building and in the coloring end. You're just using the gradient tool to blend with. The key is the coloring combined with shapes. You always start with your base middle color, and you create a tint of that color for the highlight. And depending on the area, you can adjust that tint to the percentage. If it's a semi-hot spot, like it's lighter and lighter. The shading color I start with is the base, and then I'm going to saturate it, the color, so it's deep and rich. A general rule is to avoid doing this using black, because black will just make it look muddy. Other detail colors, like white, are obvious as to where they apply as shown, such as the eyes and the teeth. A slight darker shade of blue for the gaps in between the teeth and the bottom glow of the. In all seriousness, I hope this demystifies somewhat the intimidating task of shading and highlighting for you. The good thing is, the more you do it, the easier. So have fun with your own character now, and remember the 3 steps. Create the core character, fill in with your base colors and facial features, and then add shading using the gradient tool. There you have it. Have fun.